Hi, today I'm for the Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes agree, tap to close and tap to OK. Here we can see information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 33 and 8 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity level, voltage and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.